This Hangout on Air is live. Woohoo!
It's live.
Okay, so
Oh,
now,
there you go.
okay, so
Oh,
now
the Q&A.
if I go to
Opening
Hangouts on,
Q&A. I just clicked on Q&A, or maybe you did. Oh, the feature
I
is
did.
disabled. You probably have to enable it because you started the Hangout.
So how do we find us in Google Hangouts on Air? It's called Kerryn and Emma or Emma and Kerryn. So here we are having a chat. Oh, I'm watching myself again. It's bizarre. It's
Can you
actually
click on the
laughing.
Q&A?
It's very strange.
No, I
I
didn't
did. I
laugh.
did click on Q&A. I actually have no idea what's going on right now because I'm watching me and you talk. It seems to when you talk, I see a video of you, and when I talk, it's a video of me. Actually, I'm going to do a silly thing and wait for that to come up on this.
Yeah, I saw it.
You saw it,
Oh, you're seeing the recording.
but I don't know how I get to see what's going on right now unless. And I was trying to. If let's refresh this. Hangouts on Air. How would? There we go. Ooh. Okay, so I found we are learning to use Google Hangouts on Air. Emma and Kerryn chat.
Oh, you found it.
I found it in the list, yeah. So go and have a look at the list. But I don't know how to
So
stop
I mustn't
watching.
have synced. I didn't bother clicking on that verify YouTube account. I thought, oh, the one they've got's fine. But you must have actually had to connect it, did you?
It asked me for a phone number and then sent it to my phone, and then I had to put in the 6-digit.
Oh, okay. So there's a whole process.
So it says I'm in a video call. What's that? So if I'm in a video call, you are in this video call.
So I wonder why the Q&A's disabled. Does it tell you that too? It says this feature is disabled when I click on the Q&A.
But I can't get up the actual Hangout live that we're having. I can only play. What happens if I play?
You mean you can't join it?
I can only play and watch old things. I'm waiting for myself to put my two fingers either side of my head and wave my fingers. It says vote for your favorite moment at the bottom, but I'm watching a. So how do I get back to what's currently going on? Settings, annotations, quality, watch later, mute. I'm looking around the screen and I've just no idea. Maybe if I go here and copy my own link that I gave you. No? Can I see the Hangout that I'm actually in? It says, are you going to watch?
So it would record if I wasn't here. Um, I'm just thinking because I'm wanting to put a video on my site, and I've been thinking about how to do it.
Right.
Technically, you might be able to do it through this. No, because they don't give you the actual file, the recording. Oh yeah, because it
If
would
you have it
upload it
from
straight to
YouTube,
YouTube.
you can get the code from YouTube just to put it directly.
Yeah, that's all you need. You don't need the file.
So I still can't figure out how to get back in as the person who's running this Hangout. Does that make sense? Like I'm not in the Hangout. I've
Oh, you're not there.
no, I'm watching a recording of me talking.
Try this. I'm putting the link in Skype for the Hangout.
Oh yes, because we don't need to be okay. So let's put that. So if I start a new, stop frowning, frown, frown, frown. Ah, but that I don't know how that just came up. I didn't put your link in, but I did. Somehow I found it again. Okay. Are you kind of resting your head on your chin like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is current. Okay.
Yeah.
Launch the showcase. Okay, got it. Launch the showcase app to share links with your live Q&A. I tried clicking on the Q&A and it said this feature is disabled.
Yeah, that's what I get too. Um,
It's like, why? And then Okay, so showcase, I can add an item from a website. So, oh, I'm interested. What does that do? So if I say here, this is my excellent business coaching toolkit. Loading. Wondering what that does. Oh, can you see that on the right hand
Q&A.
side?
Huh?
Is there a
No? Can't
showcase on
see.
the right hand side of your screen?
A showcase. What are you showing me?
Well, I put in, it says add
No.
a link from your favorite website. So I put a link, I just went to my website and put a link in for the business coaching toolkit, and it's got a little slideshow of all the tools, and it says business coaching toolkit, great value.
No, I can't
Is
see
that,
it.
if
Is
I,
that where the tickets are?
it's on the, just a whole column on the right hand side. I clicked on, yes, the tickets. I clicked on the tickets.
It says no featured items yet. Check again later.
Oh, now I've featured an item. Oh, I have to maybe click show item now. There we go. I clicked show item.
Okay, so apparently I just searched why Q&As aren't working.
It now says it's showing. You should be able to see the item on the right hand side.
Still can't
Ooh,
see
what
anything.
happened there? Very strange.
I got some better sound.
Ah, that's good. This is one of my favorite products. Oh, it's a mirror
Lip
image.
balm.
It's made by Salt Spring Soapworks. My friend actually runs the business, and it's very good, yummy, big fat juicy lip balm. So can you see my showcase item now? My business coaching toolkit, great value.
No.
No, it said you should be able to see it now. You can click a more button. Oh, don't lose where I am. Thank you. Oh, now I've.
Hmm. I'm sure people are using this,
Ah,
but
I've got
I'm
a
not.
separate window. I think that's why I can't. New control room, cameraman. Guests hide. Oh, so as guests join, hide their audio and video from my broadcast. Yes, no. Broadcast a large video and hide other video feeds. New guests in my large 3+ broadcast on mute. 3+. Does that mean anyone's actually? It says one viewer, so that's just you and me, thankfully. YouTube, draw, control room, cameraman. Yeah, they. Yeah. Showcase. Oh, it disappeared again. Let's put it in. Said you joined this video call.
Ah. I'm in a second time. I said hang out.
So I think are you echoing now? Oh, you're in twice.
Yeah, I
Maybe.
I thought maybe if I went through, because I'd gone through Safari accidentally, I thought maybe if I went through Chrome, I might be able to see. No, can't see anything.
So there's an invite people up here. And there's the link to share.
It
But then
seems
why
quite
isn't it running?
similar to the other one, except that you've got the Q&A, which doesn't work, and
Yeah,
you've also got the control room.
which is quite helpful. I don't understand how you'd set this up in advance, like how you'd email everyone and say, here's the Google Hangout to sign into tomorrow. Because there's a link to
You would.
share, but that's because we've got current. Like, how would you,
Oh.
do you know what I'm saying? Like, does,
Mm.
like, how you would, I wonder if there's, I bet there's tutorials, there might even be Google Plus tutorials on how to set up a Hangout and invite people. But this definitely looks promising. But do people need, I don't know if you can set this up ahead of time.
Yeah, that's what I was just trying to. No.
Stop broadcast live. Oh, 2 viewers. Is that me and you, or is it someone else? I don't think it's anyone else. There's no other video. Can you see my showcased item yet?
Nope. Um, on our schedule. If you schedule it, you just schedule it.
So where's
Mark your calendar. Hangouts on air. Join Google Plus. Schedule. No. Sign in. I'm already signed in. So, oh look.
Oh,
When you do it,
nope, that's us playing.
you must be able to sign up. Yeah, after you schedule it, you get a link.
Nope,
That looks like Ricky Martin.
probably is Ricky Martin.
Are you saying the same thing as me?
No, I have no idea what you're doing.
Oh, here. I'm at that link there, and you can see that there's on that link there's a button to schedule, and it's showing, it's telling you to mark your calendar.
Chat. So it said chat. So that was Google chat message. So your message. Oh God, this is. Okay, so
I don't know why it doesn't think I'm signed in.
me. Is that a message from you? Is that a message from me to you? And it says I'm in a video call.
Oh, look. It appears in your Google Plus.
Click on me.
It's appeared in my Google Plus homepage as upcoming events I can see on September the 12th. Emma and Kerryn chat.
Okay, so Kerryn. Oops, Kerryn. Close that. I'm looking at your Google Plus page.
You could list it.
Looking at.
Video, friends.
Oh, is it really case sensitive? Okay, best of. So when I search Emma-Louise Elsie for Google Plus now, Hangouts show up on the top. So there's the live one and that one, but you're talking about. In. Join Hangout. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything about scheduling. But I mean, if you have a link, you can email it to me, and then when have you
Oh,
scheduled it?
didn't you get the link in our conversation?
I haven't
Here,
seen
I'll
it
put it
through.
onto Skype.
Okay. Okay, there we go.
Oh, the H is missing.
That's all right. I can. Not there.
I'm just trying to
Oh yes, it
you
is.
can
Is
click
that?
on skid.
And todo estable. This version. Schedule. This is all. It's just like, how does all this stuff fit together? I think that's what I'm struggling with.
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, just how does okay, so there's a schedule button, but how does that fit with the Hangout, and how is that different to the video Hangout, the Hangout on Air, and how do we get it to show up in the thing? And It's not. I wonder if maybe we should set another time to have a meeting and do it in Google Hangouts on air again.
Hmm.
I could see if my husband would be willing to be a third person to practice inviting, and he might drive him crazy. But he's quite technical as well, so he might grasp this a bit better than we are, or not. I just don't understand how it all. There you go. Now you're showing up as. No, that's me sending you a link. I'm in a video call.
Look, we chose, look, I'm going to do a future one.
Okay. Do you want to do a screen
When you,
share?
oh yeah, do a screen share. I'll share my screen with you.
Yeah, that'd be good.
I can't because you started the conversation by the looks of it. Oh no, hang on. Yeah.
And I don't know how I close Showcase now. There we go.
Can you see now?
Yes. Oh, no, it's
So
not.
when you set it up, you set up this one.
Future.
You filled in this form?
Hang on there. How did you find that? Oh,
Via
whenever
this
I
link.
speak, the camera disappears from you to me.
Oh, it's interesting.
So I'm going to
So
talk, and then
I
it clicks.
set it up via that link, and you can just choose now. We chose now, but you can choose later. So,
Okay.
uh, so if I chose it like at, oh no, I don't think I'll be able to get one close enough. I mean, one that would start 11 a.m. would start in 10 minutes.
Right. Oh, you got duration as well.
Yeah. And then I'm just going to click share and see what happens. I need to verify
Maybe it
that.
says public. Oh, if you go
Hmm?
back to that screen, you see at the bottom where it says audience, it shares public, but you might need to add me on there.
You'll be able to join it because I'll get a link.
No, I know, but you
Because
could
you
add
won't be. I could.
specific name under audience.
Oh, God.
Oh, now you have to do what I did. Have you got your cell phone with you?
Yeah. Wonder why they do that.
Ooh.
To check that you're a real person?
Well, I think so. Ooh.
So, yeah, that must work. You just check later, and then you must get a link, and you should be able to give everybody the link. I'm just checking to see if that actually happens.
So then if you get a link, you'll be able to invite people via Google/Google Plus. You'll be able to invite your circles, the public, specific people. But if it also
Mm,
gives you a link, then you could send an email with that link in it.
that's it, and that's what you really want, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It hasn't sent me the verification code, so I can't
Mine came through right
verify.
away, my cell phone, as a text message.
Hmm. Oh, maybe I needed to put. No,
Started yawning now. Oh,
yes, it's getting.
fixed it. That's
Well,
what's
I reckon
broken.
that will work. You could try it from your end because you're already verified. If you went to this link, I'll put it in Skype.
Okay, so the Hangouts on air.
If you went to that link and set up a hangout for later,
Okay, so I'm just going to also put this in. Okay, so need a new window. Oh, I just got bodged because he says, "Come on, Mum." He's
hmm?
I got a bodge with a dog nose.
Oh, he wants his walk or dinner.
Dinner. So start to hang out on air. Oh, I see now. Later,
Mm.
give it a name. Emma and Kerryn practice scheduling. Google Plus. It's quite a long title. Subject. Yes. later. So it would need to be 6 p.m. This broadcast will be publicly available and promoted on Google Plus. So invite all. I'm not inviting the coaches. Visible to anyone, and I'm going to invite you, Kerryn Griffiths. Okay, now it's looking like an event. That's quite cool. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Screen share, entire screen. I'm just going to do that. Oh, something weird just happened. Weird thing just happened. Anyway.
Did you get a link for yours?
Oh, did you just share your screen?
Well, I was sharing my screen. I
Ah.
don't know if I turned it off.
Yeah, could you turn it off? I think that's why it's getting confused. I'm sharing your screen and you're sharing my screen, and so it does this weird kind of disappearing into space thing because we're both sharing screens and it's just going. It's quite clever. Snooze 30 minutes. Have you switched your screen sharing off?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to screen share there. Screen share. Okay, and now I'm going to show you. Oh, it still did that weird thing again. Okay, let's just ignore that. To be having an infinity issue.
Oh, I see.
I'm trying to. Here we go. Can you see that?
I can see it listed, yeah, under your details.
No, can you see? Can you see my screen sharing? And can you see it says there's a title? We've got like a little page, and it says Emma and Kerryn practice scheduling Google Plus Hangouts, and it says
Yeah.
edit event +1 share event.
Okay. What happens if you go share event?
Well, can you see this yet? The page?
Yeah.
Oh, you can. So you can see this thing where it says Emma and Kerryn practice, and the picture
Yeah.
of me and Dexter and everything.
Yeah.
So I think that would be our link for the event that's going to start in 4 minutes.
Would it?
I think so. I think this is like a page for our event. That's why I quite like this.
Ah. That
It's
is
quite
good.
cool. So if we could call it Emma and Kerryn talk about having your own life coach, and then you'd press play, I think, in this button here.
Oh, yes, I get it. Yes, I can see that
Like an
too.
event page, which is quite cool. I quite like this.
What time did you set it up for?
4
You
minutes.
start it. Why don't you give me that link? Can you
I'll
post
put
that
that
link to
in
me?
Skype. I'll put the
Mm.
link in Skype.
And I'll go to it and see what happens.
Okay, and should I start it? I mean, I don't know if I can start it early. Not that one. I have to find the right window now. There we go. So I might just. Okay, should we hang up this one?
So hang on. Oh, yeah, I do see the same page as you.
So I'm gonna.
And I can say something.
Okay, should we hang up this call? I'm gonna stop
Okay.
screen sharing.
Okay.
I'm gonna hang up and try. If not, we've got 3 minutes to. Or maybe we should go on Skype and then we can.
It's all right. We'll hang up this one to begin with.
Okay, let's hang up this one.
Hang up.